to show you how to personalize your banner in Google Classroom by making an animated banner using a few tech tools. Google Slides, EasyGIF.com, some video editing software, and a screen recording program are all you will need in order to make this happen. The first thing you're going to do is head over to your Google Slides. And Google Classroom has a standard banner size of 1000 by 250 pixels. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change that by going to File and click Page Setup, Custom, and then your units of measure here are going to be in pixels. As you can see, I've already changed my dimensions. You're going to enter 1000 and 250 for your measurements. Click Apply, and then your canvas is all ready for you to create your banner. You can create animations by using the features of Google Slides to animate your slides, or you can do what I've done here and just bring in other animated GIFs to be a part of your banner. And then once you're finished, all you need to do is screen record it using your screen recording software. I like to use QuickTime, so I've gone ahead and done that. And once you have your video, you're going to bring it into your video editing software. I've used iMovie, and I went ahead and pulled my video into iMovie so that I could trim my video clip. The reason I wanted to do that is because I have a spinning globe and I don't want it to look choppy. So I wanted to make sure that the beginning of my video and the end of my video will create a smooth transition once the video loops when it's in the GIF form. So I have a nice spinning earth that will not look choppy. But when you're finished editing your video, you're going to go ahead and save it as a movie, and then you're ready to head over to EasyGIF.com, where you're going to click on the GIF Maker. Here you're going to choose the file for the movie that you just created a few moments ago. Omni-Terrace Banner is mine. You click Open, and then you can upload it by clicking this button. Depending on how long your video is, it might take a while, but mine's pretty short, so it shouldn't take very long at all. We'll just give it a chance to upload. And once it uploads, you'll see this screen. Now, we have all of this blank space above and below our animated portion of the video. So what we want to do is crop it. So we're going to click on Crop Video. And then you get this very large screen, but all you have to do is click and drag to select the portion of the screen that you want to keep. So I'm going to select this part in the middle, and I just need to scroll over a little bit so that I can get the other end. And I'm going to drag it out, and once you have the portion of your video selected that you want to keep, you're going to scroll down and click on Crop Video. Scroll down again and you will see that your video now is missing that blank space from the top and the bottom. This is good. We're ready to create our GIF. Click on this icon for Video to GIF, and once the page loads, you're going to scroll down to this button where it says Convert to GIF and click on that. And now your video is in GIF format. But it's going to be pretty small because we've cropped it and moved it in, imported it. And so we want to make sure that Google Classroom will accept it in its right size. So we're going to change the size again. We're going to click on Resize, and the width again was 1000 pixels and the height was 250. You may have to type those values in. Then go ahead and click on Resize Image. And when you scroll down, you will see that this is now nice and big. So we're ready to save the file. Once the file is downloaded, you can head back over to your Google Classroom, and on the bottom right-hand corner of the banner, you're going to click on Upload Photo. And it's very easy. You can just drag your file right into this window. It will upload for you, and then you just have to select the portion of the banner that you want to be able to see once it is posted on the screen there. So you're going to click on the little corner, stretch it out, and then click on Select Class Theme once you're finished. Give it a second, and you'll see it. Okay, great. So I have this animated GIF here, except I don't like that it's really dark like that. It doesn't seem very eye-catching. I don't know that my students are going to pay very much attention to this. So what I'm going to do is right-click on my banner and click on Inspect. And once this window opens all the way to the right, I know this looks a little crazy. I don't know if I know what I'm doing here. So, but I learned this trick earlier. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, this first box here where it says background color, you just unclick it and watch what happens. Beautiful. Go ahead and click this X to close out. And now you have a nice bright banner with an animated, at least in my case, animated earth rotating, and this nice thing here to direct my students to click on the classwork tab to get to their assignments. So I hope that this inspires you to create something wonderful for your banner for your Google Classroom for the start of the year. I know your students will love it.